Easy crochet pumpkin hair clip tutorial, beginner friendly. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this cute pumpkin hair clip, perfect for fall or Halloween. We will be using a 2.0 millimeters crochet hook, and this is a fun, beginner-friendly mini project. Here are the materials needed. Start with the orange yarn. Make a slip knot on your 2.0 millimeters crochet hook. Round 1, chain 6. Turn back and single crochet into the second chain from the hook, add a stitch marker. Then single crochet 4 times in total. Work 3 single crochets into the last chain. Then crochet 3 more single crochets on the other side of the foundation chain. Hiding your yarn tail as you go. Next, work 1 single crochet increase, 2 single crochets in the same stitch. This is 1 single crochet increase. Remove the stitch marker. Slip stitch to join with the first stitch. Chain 1 to start the next round. Round 2, start with 1 single crochet increase. Place the stitch marker. Work 3 single crochets. Then 3 single crochet increases. Continue 3 single crochets. Then 2 single crochet increases. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 3. Work 1 single crochet, place stitch marker. Next, 1 increase, 3 single crochets. Repeat, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, for 3 sets. This is one set. Continue with the remaining 2 sets. After this, work 3 single crochets. Then repeat, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 times. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 4. Start with 1 single crochet increase. Place marker, work 1 single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 5 more single crochets. Repeat, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 3 times. This is one set. Continue with the remaining 2 sets. Work 3 single crochets. Then repeat, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 2 times. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 5. Work 1 single crochet. Place marker, work another 2 single crochets. Work 1 increase. Then work 3 single crochets. Next, work 3 single crochets, 1 increase, 3 times. This is one set. Continue with the remaining 2 sets. Then work 3 single crochets. Repeat, 3 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 times. End of round 5. Remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 6. Crochet 2 single crochets. Place a stitch marker. Then work 1 increase. Work 5 single crochets. Then repeat, 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 3 times. Repeat the remaining 2 sets. Continue 3 single crochets. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, 2 single crochets, 2 times. When finished, remove the stitch marker. Join with a slip stitch. Pull up a long loop. Cut the yarn and weave in the end. Trim any excess yarn. The pumpkin body is done. Crochet the stem. Switch to green yarn. Insert the hook into the top center of the pumpkin. Pull the yarn through and chain 1. Slip stitch, then move to the next stitch. Work 1 single crochet, weave in the end as you go. Crochet 4 chains. Turn back and single crochet 3 down the chain. Slip stitch back into the pumpkin to secure. Add 1 more slip stitch. Pull up a loop, fasten off. Cut the yarn. Weave in ends and trim excess. Take a piece of black yarn, use only 2 strands. Add the face optional, use a short piece of black yarn, 2 strands only. Tie a knot at the back and trim the extra thread. Set aside. Assemble the hair clip. Take your hair clip and felt backing. Apply glue evenly on the clip. Press the crochet pumpkin firmly onto the felt and clip backing. And there you go! Your adorable crochet pumpkin hair clip is complete. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun and easy crochet projects. Happy crocheting!